If you want to manifest more abundance and more money into your life, do not do this one thing before bed. Do not focus on the things that cause you stress or problems or the things that you do not want. Because here's what happens. Sleep time is a powerful time to manifest. So if you're thinking about your problems and the bills and issues you want to solve and why you're not there yet and all these different challenges you're experiencing, guess what? If that's the last thing that you focus on before going to bed, and that's what gets fueled and focused on while you're sleeping, and that energy builds up, and the more that it builds up, the more that the wall between you and what you want the most, between you and abundance, gets thicker and thicker and thicker, to where you feel like no matter what you do, what you try, you can't break through. So do yourself a favor before going to bed, release all those different things. So you're only focusing on the things that you do want. You do want to experience, you want to have, you want to enjoy, and you want to be a part of. Do that and watch your life change.